Here's a problem almost every service business has. You do great work, your clients get real results, and nobody outside that client ever hears about it. Meanwhile, scroll through LinkedIn and look at what you actually stop on. It's carousels. Those swipeable slide posts get saved, shared, and read all the way through, which makes them the best free lead channel a consultant or agency has. The catch is making them. A designer charges $75 to $150 per carousel, and doing it yourself means losing an evening in a design tool for every single post. Which is why most business owners post twice and quit. But with AI, a finished on-brand carousel takes about 5 minutes. That means you can actually post consistently, and consistency is what turns one client win into a stream of inbound leads. So today in this AI carousel masterclass, we are taking a real client result and turning it into a carousel that brings the next client. Our example, say you are a marketing consultant and you just wrapped a project that went really well. We'll call her Rachel. She's in Chicago and she helped a local dental clinic go from 90 to 160 booked appointments a month. That's about $12,000 in new monthly revenue for the clinic. That result is sitting in spreadsheet right now doing nothing. Let's make it work. Open Runable, start a new chat. Now the first step is getting the prompt right, and we are going to let Runable write it for us. And that's what ask mode is for. Instead of guessing what a good carousel prompt looks like, you just tell it your story and ask it to build the prompt. So let's tell I want to make a LinkedIn carousel and I need you to write one detailed prompt for it. And our story is a marketing consultant, I help local dental clinic and all. It asks a couple of quick questions, we answer and look at what it hands back. A complete prompt, every slide written out with design direction included. This is better brief than most people would write for a designer. So now before generating the actual carousel, let's select the image model. So go to the personalization tab and select any of the best models you want for your carousel. Now our priority is text consistency and a good design. So let's go with GPT image 2. Okay, now it's time for generating carousel. So just paste your prompt in carousel feature. And now here's the part that saves you the most time in this whole class. Do not generate all 10 slides yet. Paste the prompt in and ask for 5 variation for just first slide. And think about why we do it this way. The design gets decided on one slide where iterating is fast and cheap. Instead of finding out 10 slides in that you hate the style. And here's our 5 versions. And I think this one looks the best. And moving forward, this one, I want to make some more changes, making it more geometrical. And yes, here we have our final first slide. So let's just ask Runable to make rest of our 12 slides in the same design direction, maintaining the consistency. Give it a minute and there's our full carousel. Swipe through it, every slide sits on the same grid. The hook has the number, the steps are one idea each, and the last slide makes a clear ask. Our carousel is ready and we never wrote a design brief or opened a design tool. Now for the part that usually kills momentum, actually posting the thing. You can just download it from here, but you don't have to because you can just ask Runable to post it on your LinkedIn or your Instagram or just send it on a mail to anyone you want. And the same workflow makes any carousel. So let me show you how far it stretches. A UGC style carousel where the slides look like real customer photos and reviews for your product. A product launch carousel. Slide 1 teases, the middle slide reveals a feature, the last slide points at the buy link. The tips carousel, a before and after, a monthly wins recap. If it's a story told in slides, this exact flow builds it. So quick recap, go to the ask mode, write a detailed prompt, pick your best image model, paste the prompt, ask for one slide, select the best one, and then ask for all 12, then just download it or ask Runable to post it. So this was about the AI carousels, and for your assignment, take your last client win, even a small one, and run this flow today. 5 variation, pick one, build the set, post it. The first carousel brings the second one's audience. See you in the next class.